Hey YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Well, look at tool here. What's up? Peace. Well, this is the end result of the rake repair, rake handle repair. The wood handle rotted off, and this is about how I wanted to fix it. Turned out about how I wanted, how I pictured in my mind. It's not going to rot off now. If it does, I probably won't be here to see it. The best thing is, I had all this iron pipe already in stock, and I got it all for free. So it didn't cost me nothing except my time. Well, that's it. We'll get tool here out later. Peace. Have a good one. Well, look out later.